Well, we are talking weather here with meteorologist Maria Ruiz, and that's just crazy to see what's going on both coasts at the same time.
Right, and both being amplified for different reasons, Cleo. The East Coast, that's because of just how warm it's been and how dry it's been. The drought has just expanded across areas of the Northeast, so that fire has a lot to feed itself off
And that's
of.
not normal right now.
It's not normal right now. And on the West Coast, something that we do see very often this time of the year are the high winds, the Santa Ana winds, and that's what's helping spread the fires even more, unfortunately. Fortunately, we are not dealing with that. We have a beautiful clear sky overhead, actually beautiful weather today. Temperature right now of 70 degrees with a blue sky as we look from our Cedar Hill camera, and right now at DFW 71 degrees. An east wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. It is dry, which is what makes it feel comfortable, and it's the reason why those temperatures managed to dip into the 50s this morning. Today, the temperature does climb to the mid-70s, about 73 degrees around 1, 74 degrees around 4. Not quite as warm as yesterday. It's because we now have a northeast wind in place. Temperatures are going to drop into the mid-60s around 7 with a clear sky, and by that point the sun has already set, so that's why the temperature drops a little bit faster. 72 degrees in Denton, 73 for the high in McKinney, 75 in Fort Worth, mid-70s for a lot of our western counties. Normal this time of the year is 68, and we'll be trending just above that over the next several days. In fact, we'll be in the mid-70s, about 75 on Tuesday and on Wednesday. We do see a front come in on Wednesday, and that front is set to bring in a little rain potential for areas north of the Red River. So a dry front for us, but it will help drop the temperature to about 68 degrees, closer to the normal for this time of the year, the mid-70s for Friday and for Saturday. So here's what's going on big picture. We have this ridge of high pressure. That's what's bringing us that beautiful sunshine. That's going to scooch off towards the east. And when that happens, we have this front that comes in on Wednesday. That front won't bring us much in the way of rain, but it will drop our temperatures. High pressure back in play as we head into the weekend, and then this next system comes in. So it actually is going to be what we call a cutoff low from the parent storm. That's going to help push moisture, not just from the Pacific, but also from areas of the Gulf back into North Texas. This is what brings better rain chances by the time Sunday rolls around. So again, this is what Wednesday will look like. Wednesday, it'll be dry as that front moves in, but I'm going to fast forward here, take you into Saturday, because that's when we start to see a little more cloud cover moving in, all as we see that wind coming back from over the ocean into North Texas, and that's what helps bring in the cloud cover. And there's that next system to help bring in rain either Sunday into early next week, and it keeps rain chances in the forecast for early next week as well. Beneficial rain for us, of course, especially this time of the year. When we're talking about maybe seeing some color changes, our peak is generally mid to late November, 30 days before the peak. In order to see these beautiful colors, you need the shorter days, which we have. You need the cool nights, which we also have, the cloud cover and the rain, which we'll get late this weekend. That's what's going to help stop leaves from producing chlorophyll, brings the natural, beautiful colors that they normally are. And this October, unfortunately, didn't help out our situation. It was the warmest on record. It's the 9th driest on record. So, are the fall colors behind? Yeah, they are for about 2 weeks. That's why we just need to be patient. Eventually, we'll see some of that color come through. That's if we don't see the leaves fall too early, and I don't think we will. So temperatures over the next couple of days, again, in the mid-70s. The mornings will stay cool in the 50s. Thursday morning will be chilly, Cleo. Temperatures in the upper 40s with a high of 68 on Thursday. And this weekend also looking pretty, with a little rain returning late weekend into early next week.
Not too shabby. Things can stay right here. I'm enjoying that. All right. Thanks there, Marielle.